this week.
Yeah, getting ready to leave.
Yeah, packing up. Well, currently unpacking to pack.
We have to unpack the trailer in order to get it up in that trailer,
Yeah.
and then we have to load it all back up.
Yeah. Luckily that trailer's wider, so we can swing the doors open. And the old trailer you could not.
You think so?
Yeah.
So, you think the car and the trailer are gonna fit in there okay?
Yes. We haven't tested, but I think I'm gonna have to take the chutes off, I think.
Isn't that what you had to do last time?
Yeah, but we had to take the whole wing off.
Oh.
We had to take wing, everything. I think I'm just gonna have to take the chutes off. We'll see.
We'll see, because that... I don't know.
It'll be tight.
Yeah, I think it will be tight.
But yeah. So basically we had to unpack to pack.
Yeah, so here's everything that we're taking.
Yeah, we've changed it up a bit. The new fuel cell mount on the front is the new addition to get some more room in this compartment, which is now all the spare parts. So it gave more room for everything else, which is nice. And then, oh, we got hood mounts instead of ratchet straps. So we've come a long way.
Man, and just those two on the front, like, hold the hood down, like, real good.
Yeah. You could probably just have these, but the back would be flat.
Yeah.
So.
Don't want to do that.
Yeah, so we got new containers to hold all the spare parts. We're taking some merch for the pre-party thing. Pretty much the same stuff we took for sick week. Tools, generator, chairs, a blower, some extra spare parts. Pretty much the same stuff. We've kind of perfected it a bit.
Let's hope, because this is my first time.
Yeah. Yeah. You'll get the full experience. Are you excited?
I don't know. You know, I'll just do it.
You gotta wing it. It's the best way.
Kearney, we are at the block party, set up with food trucks, the cars out. They've got, what is that, the tree?
They call it the reaction carts. It's the, you basically sit in the seat and you test your reaction time against the tree. They did it last year. They do like a co-pilot type deal where the co-pilots get a chance to win some money. I think it's like $200. So Mark went to he was runner-up last year.
Like semifinals?
No, runner-up.
Oh.
He was runner-up last year.
Dang.
So you got a lot to look.
Well, we just found out I can't fill Mark's shoes. I suck at it. But I guess I'll get more practice this week.
Yeah.
So just hanging out tonight, getting ready for racing tomorrow. Tomorrow's like tech and everything too, so.
Yeah, they do it a little differently. So like tech is in the morning and then we race from like 3 to 10. So a little different than like sick week or drag week where you have tech day and then you come back the next day and race. As they have every single day is a race day. This we have drive days, which are sometimes more grueling than the actual race days.
Well, they're a little more grueling this time because you're going from Kearney to Morrison, which is normal, but Pueblo back to Kearney is going to be the killer. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes.
Yeah. We
got the seatbelts adjusted for me, so it's tighter. I don't know. Anything else?
I feel way too prepared. That's my problem. We're so used to having things happen few
right
weeks
before
that we're rushing, and this time we just raced 2 weeks ago and it did fine, other than it hit a boost safety, and that was my fault. So I don't know. It's weird. It's weird having a car kind of ready. I mean, we made a few changes for this, but like not many at all. Really.
Yeah. So we're just hoping for the best this week.
Yeah.
We're gonna make it.
The goal is to finish, but if we finish top.
Good morning. We are here at Kearney.
Yes.
Sitting in the tech line.
Just pulled up.
Yeah, just pulled up. So we unloaded the car, the trailer, and the pits, and then hurried up and got in the tech line before it gets too crazy.
Yeah. Rocky Mountain Race Week never has had like crazy tech, but as long as we don't sit here forever.
Yeah.
And we have till 3 o'clock and it's like 8.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, but it's nice to like get it done out of the way,
yes,
and then
no stress.
Then you don't have to stress about getting the car ready to make it pass. So.
Yeah.
And some of our stuff is still like spread all over the pits and not loaded back in the trailer. So
yeah, our trailer's too heavy to load like with everything in it. So
you have to take everything out,
yeah.
Load the trailer, and then put everything back in the trailer.
Yeah.
So that's fun, but it's not bad because there's really not, like if you think about it, there's really not a lot.
No, we don't have a lot of stuff.
No.
The necessary stuff.
I think the most is like our personal stuff, like our chairs, the canopy,
Yeah.
the table. Tell me about that first pass.
Sucked.
Yeah, it kind of sucked.
I mean, the first half of the track was good, and then right after the chip, it popped and shut off. So I'm trying to figure out why.
He still coasted to a 6:17 in the 8th mile.
It needs to be about a second faster.
Yeah, but trying to figure out why it popped.
I'm hoping this isn't an issue, because we've done it once before this year. I hope it's not crank trigger problems. That'll be not fun at all.
What does that mean?
Where it doesn't read RPM.
Oh God.
It loses where it's at, so it shuts off.
Oh God.
Yeah. Not good stuff.
Is that just a crank sensor replacement?
I mean, maybe, or it's just flexing or doing weird stuff. So,
Well, let's hope it's not that.
yeah. It sucks because that was going to be a decent pass.
It was. It left good.
Track's like 130 degrees, so they went a 130, 60 foot, so
Yeah.
good.
Well, we got the car cooling down, suits are packed, and gonna try to go for another pass.
Alright, so at 5:13 and 1:43, is that what it was? 1:43?
142.
142. So we turned that in because I'm happy with that. We had a little bit of issue earlier. I think we found the solution, but we're gonna pack up now and head to the next track. I look very dark, like black.
We've been sitting at the track all day, so
Yep.
we're hot, tired,
We're
ready.
getting our first experience of the drag and drive.
Yeah, so now we're gonna turn the car over.
Yeah.
It'll be my first time turning it over to drive mode.
Yeah. Get on the road.
Yeah.
Back to the
No,
hotel.
the hotel.
Gladly. Even though it's already 8:30 and the sun is still up, it's weird being on the western side of a time zone because it was light till like 10 last night, 9:40, 9:30.
No, it was a little after 9.
Yeah.
It was a little
9:30 you
after
can still
9.
see the, light.
But at our house, it's normally like 8
Yeah.
when it gets dark.
Yeah, it's
so.
weird. I think this is like 7 o'clock, but
Yeah.
nope. So.
Yep, so we're happy with that pass,
Yep.
and we are packing up.